Welcome students. Let us see a question from the topic time and work. This question has been asked in DMRC examination 2003. DMRC, Delhi Metro Rail Corporation. Question is, a tire has two punctures. The first puncture would have made the tire flat in 9 minutes and the second alone would have done it in 6 minutes. If air leaks out at a constant rate, how long does it take both the punctures together to make it flat? Let us see the solution here. You see, first puncture makes the tire flat in 9 minutes and second in 6 minutes. So if both the punctures are working together, then the tire will be flat in 1/9. Total work done by both the punctures will be 1/9 plus 1/6. Okay, so work done by both the punctures. What is the work of the punctures? Making the tire flat. Okay, so work done by both the punctures in 1 minute is equal to 1/9 plus 1/6. LCM is 36, 4 plus 6, 10/36. This is equal to 5/18. Correct? So work done by both the punctures in 1 minute is 5/18. We know work and time both are reciprocal to each other. So if work done is 5/18, then time required to complete the tire flat is 18/5. Therefore, time taken by both the punctures to make the tire flat will be reciprocal of this much, will be 18/5 minutes. Let us calculate this. 5 3s are 15, 3 and 3/5 minutes. So this is the answer. So which option is correct? Option C is correct. So answer is C. Fine. Very interesting question, but very simple. Okay. So students will do some more practices of the same type of question from the same topic, time and work, and remain in touch with this video so that we could get maximum benefit of it. And please share these videos with your friends also. If you have any doubt, any problem, any suggestion, please write in the comment box. I will reply definitely. So thank you very much for watching this video. Wish you all the best.